Your nervous system may need to be softly moving. Your nervous system may need you to be walking. Your nervous system may need you at this point to be still, to be gentle, to be lying down, to be cared for, to be nurtured. So choosing whatever is right for you. I think we're getting funny connections on the Zoom. So finding a place that's good for you and thinking about rebuilding, reconnecting, and belonging. And take your time and settle. Maybe pull up a blanket if you're cool, or add your socks back on because your feet might get cold with stillness. Or move yourself outside, and you can also change your mind. You can move on, you can get up. But should you choose, this is a time for deeper rest. Leaning into support. Finding comfort as you need. You have nowhere to go and nothing to do. But allow yourself to be here. And in Yoga Nidra, we have often an intention. Sankalpa, you might hear it referred to. It's like a quiet inner seed that you plant in your mind. And you can have one of your choice. You can have something like, I belong to myself. I connect to myself. I connect here in this group. Or it can be an intention to rest. Whatever you choose. And let awareness spread through your body. You might notice the sounds you can hear again and let them go. Gently scanning through your face, your neck, your shoulders, noticing however you are in this moment. You are here. This is your body. This is your home. And you are here in this space with this group. Bringing awareness to the parts of your body that are supported by the earth. Noticing the contact of your heels, calves, thighs, your back, your arms and your head. Bringing awareness back to your breath. Noticing its natural rhythm. We're moving to a rotation of consciousness, a systematic journey of awareness through your body. My voice will guide you. There's no need to think or analyze, but follow. Let your awareness briefly rest on each part. Bringing your attention to your right hand, your right thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger, palm of the right hand, back of the right hand, the right wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, the right armpit, the right side of the torso, the right waist, the right hip, thigh, knee, shin, ankle, heel, sole of the foot, top of the foot, right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Shifting awareness to the left hand, left thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger, palm of the hand, back of the hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, left armpit, side of the torso, waist, hip, thigh, knee, shin, ankle, heel, sole of the foot, top of the foot, left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Now bring awareness to the back of the body, the back of your head, the back of your neck, shoulder blades, the upper back, the middle back, the lower back, the sacrum, back of the right leg, back of the left leg, both heels, awareness of the front of your body, the forehead, the eyebrows, the eyes, cheeks, jaw, throat, chest, belly, pelvis, front of the right leg, front of the left leg, both feet, the entire right side of the body, the entire left side of the body, the whole body together, the whole body together, the whole body together. Awareness again of the breath, nothing to change, the quiet rhythm of the breath, arriving, leaving, nourishing, the breath through your nostrils, the breath into the chest, the breath through to the belly. Each breath, a connection to yourself. Each breath, a connection to spirit. Breath as spirit. A reminder, I am here. I belong. I am here. I belong to myself. Let the breath hold you, just as you are. Some images in your mind's eye, sensing, imagining yourself here in this space. Yourself breathing. Yourself resting. Yourself here as you are. An image of a parent and a child. A group of children. 2 dogs. 3 cats. A group of adults. Images of sunflowers, fresh grass, an oak tree, a rowan bush. Images of an old book, a church, sunrise, the stars, and letting go of the images. Letting go of the images. And in your mind's eye, imagining a journey, walking into a quiet forest. The ground is soft beneath your feet. Noticing the shift in terrain as you walk. Noticing your breath as you move. The scent of the earth and the trees. Seeing sunlight filter through the canopy of trees. Your senses nourished. Connecting to yourself through your senses in the forest. You walk with ease, noticing different trees. Noticing a deer pausing, looking. Coming to greet an oak tree, vast and old, ancient and wise. Its roots stretch deep into the soil. Its branches wide into the sky. Touching the oak tree. Perhaps in your mind's eye, placing a hand on your own chest, your own heart. Connecting with the oak tree. The wisdom of the oak tree. Listening for what the oak tree has to say. You can sit down beside this tree or leaning against the trunk of this tree, feeling its steady presence behind you, as though the tree is breathing with you, the whole forest breathing with you. Noticing yourself resting by the tree, feeling the support from the ground, feeling your legs soften, feeling your pelvis supported, feeling ease in your belly, feeling breath in your chest, feeling your arms rest, feeling your head supported against the trunk of the tree. Seeing the deer again, connecting to the deer, looking at the deer and the deer looking at you, pausing for a moment as though the deer has something to say to you, something to tell you. Connecting with the deer, resting back against the tree, looking up at the branches and the light through the leaves, the vast sky above, leaning into the wisdom of the tree, as though it has a story for you, as though it has pages to give you, shimmering with symbols, feelings, truths. This is your place. You are part of this forest. You are part of something vast and meaningful and caring and safe. Allowing yourself to rest here just for a little while. Gently leaving the forest, but knowing you are remembered and you belong. Let the forest image gently fade, but feel what remains, the rootedness, the warmth, the connection, the quiet knowing. An awareness back to the breath, the rise and fall of the chest, the expansion, softening of the belly. Your body filled with the breath, your legs filled with the breath, your arms filled with the breath, your head filled with the breath. Feeling yourself here in this moment, reconnected, rebuilding, resting in your own presence, noticing the breath. Begin to invite some small movement, noticing the space that you're in, the room, the garden, noticing what you can smell, what you can hear, what you can taste. Noticing yourself supported by the chair, the bed, the earth. Having a wiggle of your fingers and your toes. Having a stretch. And remembering, I am rebuilding. I am connected. I belong. This yoga nidra is now complete. Have a little stretch. Maybe take a hug. Have a little look at the people on the screen. and send out something, a smile, a bit of love, some affection, some warmth, some ease to someone, and notice what is being sent to you and receive that. Thank you for joining us. I'm going to stop this recording and speak to the people in the Zoom room.